Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log in into my Lone Star and access D2L. So you're going to enter lonestar.edu, then after that you're going to go into my Lone Star. You're going to sign in. I think I entered my password wrong. Oh, there you go. Okay, then after you're here, I'm going to show you how to access D2L. You're going to go into LSE Online, go to Courses. Once you're in D2L, you're able to access any of your online classes or any class that you're registered. In this case, we're going to choose Business Computer Application. And we're able to view anything: content, grades, assessment, communication, resources. And this is how you log in into my Lone Star and access D2L.